Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything, where we create, inspire, and grow. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some easy craft ideas that you can use for any holiday, birthday, anything like that. So in this one, we're making Christmas ornaments out of Dollar Tree items, googly eyes, all that sorts of things. They do have those like round wooden pieces as well. These are the ornaments, and all you need is just paint and whatever item you need, and you just paint pour or decorate it however you like. This is how we decorated the items that we had, using like kinetic sand and some trees. And but yeah, you, like I said, you can use it for any holiday: Valentine's Day, birthdays, graduations, Christmas, Thanksgiving, any holiday. But yeah, I hope you like these craft ideas. They're great for kids to do, keep them occupied. They love, my kids love to do art and crafts. These are the ornaments. And yeah, these are the wood pieces that we paint and poured. And there is no right or wrong way. It's however you want it to come out. And then all you do is just add the string so that way you can hang them up like this. And yeah, it's super easy. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share it with everybody. Alright, bye.
Subscribe, like, and share.